Sorry for the mess in the background. Second of all, I don't have braces anymore, so anyways, today I'm gonna be doing another kind of like pack with me, but this one's gonna be like a little different. I don't know how it's gonna be different, but it's gonna be different. Yeah, I'm packing to go to Canada, but whenever this video is going up, I'll probably already be back or be heading back. Not really gonna completely finish packing until after I get my retainer at 4:30, but I thought it'd be like cool or whatever to just go ahead and like get my suitcase out and like start picking out things just cuz. And yeah, so you guys are gonna see all that. Get ready, stay freaking tuned because this is gonna be a wild ride. And yeah, let's just flop right on into the packing. This lighting is so bad. But first I need to grab my suitcase. I'm actually just packing a carry-on and like we're going in the attic to film this. I want to just pack like a carry-on and a backpack because I'm going to be doing a lot of shopping like my last couple of days in Toronto. So I'm going to need space for all my stuff because I'm basically back to school shopping in Toronto. And I plan on going freaking hard at Brandy Melville. So yeah, just try this video of me getting a suitcase out. I don't even know if this is carry-on size, but it will be carry-on size. Clothes are these? Okay. Hi guys. So I have my handy dandy suitcase here, but we're not gonna be needing her because we're just getting clothes out and like picking crap I want to bring. But basically my idea is I'm gonna fill about 8/10 of this suitcase, and then I'm gonna bring a bigger backpack full of just my phone and my laptop, so then I can just shove all of my clothes into that backpack. But I might not even bring a cute backpack just because I need one I can have like so much room and to shove everything in. So yeah, if I leave this down, my cat will pee in it. She thinks it's a litter box. She's peed in probably like 3 of our suitcases. Had to get rid of them all. Let's go to my closet, shall we? It's a little messy. No, it's like really messy, and I really need to clean my closet, but I'm not going to. I'm not going to do it until I get all my new clothes. And once I get my new clothes, so I'm just going to organize it all. Whenever I get new clothes, I just feel like empowered. Okay, but before we go into my closet, I have some little things over here that have just been washed, like the dirty clothes I wanted to bring. I'm gonna bring my favorite shorts. What is this? So I'm bringing my sweatpants. We'll bring that. Bring the shirts. Young Life shirt. We'll bring Honey. We'll bring Eunice. Wore it in my last video. Check it out. iCard right there. Like literally right there. My favorite white t-shirt from Brandy Melville. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put every single piece of clothing out I might possibly want to bring, so then I can like sort from there. You know what I mean? I'm probably just setting myself up for failure, but it's fine. So of course I'm gonna bring this little blue tee that's on the ground. It's like a little tank. So right now on my bed is everything so far I'm planning on bringing. I don't know if that is gonna fit in that. So yeah, also here's this like little bandana thing, and I wore this to school around my neck and like people bullied me. Yeah, it was actually really cute, and you don't know anything. Also, I'm not necessarily trying to be like a style icon while I'm on vacation. It's just like chill, but I still want to have like some cute things for pictures, you know what I mean? Okay, so now it's time to curate this so it'll fit in that. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this jacket to the side because honestly I won't bring it if it doesn't fit. Like it makes every outfit look cute, but whatever. Yeah, I just literally had this tucked in. There we go. Okay, so let's get to sorting. So first I have these. I might just time lapse this with like a couple words here and there. We'll see how I'm feeling whenever I'm editing this. All these little tank tops I have in here just like scattered about. I can bring all of them because they're just so small, and I can just like tuck them into whatever. This will fit into that, and then we'll see what else works. So I know I said like I'm not gonna pack in this yet, but I'm feeling the vibe, so I'm gonna do it. I don't have any outfits put together, but most of the stuff is like interchangeable anyway, so it doesn't even really matter. Okay, I'm gonna keep like my little flimsy tank tops to the side because they can just be like tucked in those like little parts where you're supposed to put. Oh yeah, you guys would be so proud of me. So for camp, I was like, whatever, I'm just gonna shove all this stuff back in here. Then I was like, no, I'm actually gonna semi-roll my clothes. So I literally rolled every single piece of my clothing back up and put it in my suitcase. Proud moment for me. Please give me a round of applause because I deserve it. So let's all do it together. 1, 2, 3, round of applause. These are a nice versatile Nike short. We stan. Okay, I'm starting to like run out of space here, which is kind of concerning, but we're also like kind of almost done, so. And then I don't know if I should bring this dress. I feel like I already have like enough nicer outfits, so let's just not. Okay, so I changed my camera battery, but I decided to just go ahead and pack most of the rest of this stuff up. Bring these sweatpants because I had room. Like, this is plenty of room for like overflow stuff. And then now I'm dealing with this shoe dilemma because I definitely don't have room for all of these, but I want to bring all of them. I need to bring these like a casual shoe. Then I have these, which are really just cute. And then I need to bring these. So these are my two need to brings. And then these are two I need to decide between because I really like my Birks. Oh wait, I can wear one of these. I'll wear my Birks and I'll bring all these. I'm going to try to shove this in here and I'll get right back to you because I don't feel like putting this on my tripod. Okay, so this is kind of sketch. I feel like I need to take out something, but I don't know what it should be. Okay, I'm just going to try to zip this up. The problem is this even a carry-on size? I have no idea. Okay, so now I'm packing my, what are these even called? Toiletry products, or products that are gonna go mostly in that backpack right there, which is kind of awkward because it's my old cheer backpack. It's just like a spacious backpack. I don't care, I'm bringing it. It's kind of weird, but whatever. Moving on. And here's just like basic makeup and like contacts and stuff. Like I need to put this face wash in like a little bottle, but I'm basically gonna put all this stuff in there. I need to bring this Feel Robin backpack, which will on the way back go in my suitcase, but for now, I'm just gonna be putting it in that bag.
Do you have any more pocket bags? Can I have one that you don't like?
You want a pocket bag?
Yeah, I'm gonna put stuff in it.
Look how messy my room is.
I'm taking all the stuff out of it and putting stuff in it.
Travel hack! Something I'm forgetting is my tripod. Where are you? Okay, well I have this one in here, which is my backup tripod. So I have a big tripod for like everyday videos, and I have like my travel tripod, but I can't find my travel tripod. I'm gonna look for my travel tripod in here. Did I leave that? I can't. I'm gonna be sister shocked. I'm gonna try to look for my travel tripod. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So right now I'm kind of mourning the loss of my red tripod. So I have to bring this crappy one. All my other like camera equipment is going in here. I don't know if this was boring. I'm sorry if it was. Hopefully it wasn't too bad. Maybe I'll just try to make it nice and short. If you aren't subscribed, join our family. Like I don't know what you're doing at this point if you haven't subscribed. Just do it. It's free. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And with all that said, thanks for watching and
yeah, hey, trips to the mall, I just tripped in the fall. I think I might really be the one after all. Yeah, don't wanna rule them all, I'm the chosen one.